Hello, everybody. This is Bui from Mama Bui's Kitchen. I hope you are having a great day. Today, I'm gonna be showing you how I make perfect Thanksgiving turkey that will come out delicious and moist. So let's get started. Before you cook your turkey, make sure and allow plenty of time to thaw. A good rule of thumb is to allow 1 day in the fridge for every 5 pounds of turkey. Set the turkey on a cookie sheet or a pan to catch any liquid the turkey may drip as it defrosts in the fridge. Normally, I put mine in the refrigerator for 3 days, and that should be enough time to defrost any size turkey. So guys, let's get started. My turkey is already washed and pat dried with paper towels. Let's get right into it. Here I have spices and seasonings. I have thyme, garlic, black pepper, and salt. I'm gonna go ahead and mix this. Use half of the seasoning mix to season the inside of the cavity. Then we're gonna take the remaining half and combine it with the butter. Make sure your butter is at room temperature. Use fingers to loosen and leave the skin above the breast and smooth a few tablespoons of the butter underneath. This turkey is 16 pounds, which means we're gonna roast it for 3.5 hours. Next, we are going to slather the outside turkey with the rest of the seasoned butter. Just like so, guys. We're gonna flip it and do the back too. My son is so excited. He can't wait to munch on this turkey. When I was making it today, he said, "Mom, can we have turkey today?" I told him, "Yes, you'll have turkey today." And he said, "Oh, I missed your moist turkey, Mom." Stuff butter in the cavity of the turkey. Cover with the foil and put it in the fridge for 1 hour. One thing that you have to keep in mind, when you put the turkey in the refrigerator, the butter is going to be solid, so there is a chance that it can stick to the foil. Don't worry if it sticks to the foil, just coat with another layer of butter. Next, tuck the wings of the turkey underneath turkey. By tucking the wings prevents them from burning, and also it helps the turkey to sit flatter. Next, we are going to stuff it with apple, sliced oranges, celery, and onions. Guys, this is gonna give it flavor. Put some celery and onions on the roasting pan. Last step, we're gonna season the turkey with Cajun seasoning. Guys, when you put Cajun seasoning on the turkey, it takes it to another level. Pour apple cider and beef broth. Guys, I'm using beef broth and not chicken broth. You have to try this. You'll be surprised with the flavor. Cover with the foil and roast at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for 3.5 hours, or until internal temperature reaches 165 degrees. So what's gonna happen here, every 45 minutes, remove the turkey and baste it. Make sure you close the oven door so we don't let the heat out. That's very crucial, guys. Otherwise, we're gonna end up with a dry turkey. The turkey is out of the oven. Now we're gonna remove the stuffing, the onions, apples, and celery. We're gonna cover it with a foil, then allow it to rest for 30 minutes. This gives time for the meat to firm up and the juices to be reabsorbed into the muscle tissue, making turkey easier to slice and taste juicier. Happy Thanksgiving, everyone. Until next time, guys. Bye. Honey for my heart.